Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through my cozy winter productive day. So you can see how I start my day on a positive note. First thing first, I like to wake up early to make the most of my day. It's currently 6 a.m. and I'm reading a novel called It Ends With Us. And then I made my bed. After that, I open my curtains to bring natural light into my room. As you know, natural light also helps our body to produce vitamin D and make rooms comfortable and cozy even in the dead of winters. Now I go outside for fresh air, which helps to boost my mind and even enhance my mental clarity. Now I like to stretch and do a few quick exercises to wake up my body. It helps in increasing flexibility, increasing blood flow, and can even boost my mood for the day. Then I do 20-minute meditation. As you all know, it helps to reduce stress, improves focus and concentration. It's like a workout for our mind. When I came to my room, of course, the first thing I did was write my to-do list. So yeah, let's start off this busy day with some planning. My study table is quite comfortable study space where I can focus and study with full concentration. Okay, so now I'm starting my morning study session with the subject chemistry. I'm doing atomic structures numerical with my notes. And now I'm doing my physics work, solving numericals and reviewing notes of my previous lecture. I know studying sometimes feels like boring, but trust me, it's all worth it in the end. Think about your goals and dreams. Imagine how amazing it will feel when you achieve them. That's what should keep you going. In morning, luckily, I got to witness these beautiful sunrise views from my house. Today's weather is perfect, especially because it was cold in the morning. So happy the sun came to greet me. Next, it's time to freshen up. I head to the bathroom and I brush my teeth. Then I wash my face with a gentle cleanser and then I take a refreshing shower to start the day feeling clean and energized. These are my daily skincare product. This is my Ecologica sunscreen. This is my hand cream. This is for lip care, Vaseline and other body lotions. It's time for breakfast and I'm having aloo ka parantha, my favorite. This is my organic chemistry lecture and we are studying history of organic chemistry and also the IUPAC naming, etc. Here's I want to say, stay focused, stay determined and don't let any distractions get in your way. Remember, every small step you take towards your studies is a step closer to success. And don't forget to take breaks. Give yourself some time to relax and recharge. And here's my today's outfit. I'm going with my mom for some shopping and after that I have to attend a wedding. Then I decided to do my hair oiling, which I do once in every week. And that's it for my cozy winter productive day. I hope you enjoy and found some inspiration for your own days. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more study and lifestyle content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.